Okay. So welcome again and very good morning. So for today we are going to continue for our session yesterday, and we are going to have a look at the 11 other Chrome extension that I will introduce to you. So the same thing for today we are going to use as well our Chrome Web Store. So yesterday we already have a look at extension by Google, which is Google Translate, Google Calendar, and Save to Google Drive. We also learn about Click and Clean, Pixel Block, AdBlock, and Ghostory. We have a look at time management. We have Rescue Time and Forest, and entertainment and social media, turn off the light, and also social fixer for Facebook. So the same thing, we are going to use our Chrome Web Store again for today. So for those who didn't know, so this is how your Chrome Web Store looks like. Here is where you can get, if you wish to change the theme of your Google Chrome. So normally if you open up a new tab, it's always be like a white color. But if you wish to change the theme, you can also find your Chrome theme here. And you can also add application and extension. Okay, so here you can find it in your Chrome Web Store. If you wish to change your theme, you can just find it here as well. So for today, we are going to have a look at the other 11 extension. So these other 11 extension will be for synchronization. We have Pushbullet, Evernote Web Clipper, and Save to Pocket. Okay, so for these three, synchronization, so actually you just need to download the same app from your phone. So then if you save something on your phone, so you can also check it on your desktop. So whatever you pin on your desktop, you can find it in your phone. So it works like that for synchronization. And we have password manager. So I'm going to introduce LastPass. For others, we have Screencastify, full page screen capture. Screencastify is your recording your screen, your desktop. Okay. For full page screen capture, so this, for example, a web page. So you need to scroll down, right? You need to scroll down. But then if using full page screen capture, it will record everything from the top to the bottom. And you have magnifying glass. You have momentum, noisily, Grammarly for Chrome, and Hola VPN. Okay, now let's proceed with the first one, which is synchronization. So apps here, like I said, it will be available on your phone. So it sync your data from your desktop and your phone. And all these extensions that I will introduce to you with synchronization, it requires sign in. Means you need to sign up with this provider. You need to sign up with them in order to use this, because of course you need ID for them to know that you are the same person. So it will synchronize whatever you see in the desktop is the same thing you will be able to view on your phone. So the first one is Pushbullet. Okay, so this is how Pushbullet looks like. So it's available for free, but then if you want to go advanced, you can also go ahead with the premium one. So you can download Pushbullet in your phone, but then I will say this is only available for now for Google Play. For iOS, I will introduce you to a different type of extension, but Pushbullet is for Google Play. So you need to download Pushbullet as well in your phone. Okay, and then from your phone, okay, so let's go. You already download Pushbullet application in your phone. And then from your phone, you can decide whatever application notification that you want to know. Okay, for example, I already downloaded Pushbullet on my phone, and then I turn on WhatsApp notification. So then even though my phone is away, I will receive a notification in my desktop. Okay, I will receive a notification in my desktop that I have received a new message. Okay, so you choose from your phone what type of application that you want to receive a notification, and then they will push all that notification to your desktop. Okay, to your desktop. again, you need to sign in. So it will sync between your phone and also your desktop. So this is a mobile to computer integration. You can view all your mobile notification on your desktop, share file from desktop to your phone, and also you can even forward call to your PC. Means that you can pick up the call using your computer. Okay, if you're using Pushbullet. So this is how Pushbullet looks like, and then for a new, they just add on a new features, which is you can actually reply to message from your desktop. Okay, if someone send you a text message, so you can reply from your desktop and it will be sent to them. So this is Pushbullet. So next up we have Evernote Web Clipper. So same case with Evernote, you have a premium and also free version. So whatever you find something on the internet that interests you, you can save it. Again, you need to also download Evernote in your phone. Okay, you need to download Evernote in your phone to use these features. So it will synchronize. So whatever you save in Evernote, you can also find it from your phone. Here. Yeah. So here is an example. So I already have Evernote. So whatever you find something interesting, let's say I'm in this particular website and I want to save it. So when you just click on the extension, okay, you just click on the extension. So you have option what things that you want to clip. Do you want to clip the article? So then if you open up the Evernote, you can find the article, or you want to have the simplified article, or you want to save the entire page. Okay, you want to save the entire page, or you want just to bookmark. So when you open up list of bookmarks, so you can just click, it will bring you back to this particular website, or you have option screenshot. So then it will capture your screen and save it as an image. So you have that option for Evernote. So after you install, you just click on the option on the top, okay, as an extension. And then you have Evernote and also Pocket. It will be available for both iOS and Android, except for the Pushbullet is only for Google Play. Okay, for Pocket, so this is also almost similar with Evernote, okay, but this one more like a safer bookmark. Okay, you can, when you run into a site, okay, something that interests you, a video that you would like to save for later, you can use Pocket. Okay, like Pocket, whenever you open up here, okay, for example this one, I want to save this particular website into Pocket. So after you install, so you just click on the icon and then it will show you page save. Okay, it will show you page save, and then again, this is work as bookmark. There is no option like Evernote. Evernote you can capture the screen. Okay, it can capture the screen, but for this one it's more like a bookmark. So you have no other option like before this. So you have option what thing you want to save this thing as. So if article, it will only save this part. Okay, if you want to save the entire page, or you just want to bookmark this one, you have that option in Evernote. But then if save to Pocket, it just like save this bookmark, save this page. Okay, save this page. So when you click on this icon, save to Pocket, so it will show page save. So if you want to open up, so here is like the three dot for the menu. Click on that and then you have option open Pocket. So when you open Pocket, so here you can find all your article or web page that you already saved. Okay. So whatever you see here, you will also can find it on your phone. Similar, you can also save things using your phone, and then you can also find it here as well. Okay, all right. So for next up, we are going to have a look at Password Manager. So for Password Manager, I only have one that I would like to introduce to you. So the name for this extension is LastPass. Okay, LastPass. You don't have, if you're using this extension, you don't have to remember all your password. All you need to remember is just the password for your LastPass. So you only need to remember one password instead of remembering everything. So here, yeah. Okay, for example here, so again, if you're using LastPass, you also require sign up. Okay, why? Because they want to keep all your data secure. Okay, so you need to sign up with them. So then you have an account with LastPass. So that is where you keep all your password. Okay, to using LastPass, you need to sign up. So you just need to remember your password to your LastPass. That's how it works. So for example here, I already signed up, and okay. So when you click on the LastPass extension here, and then you have option. Okay, you have option here. Now I'm going to add item. So when I click on add item, and then it will ask me what kind of thing that I want to save. Okay, what kind of thing I want to save. You can also save payment card. So for example, every time you make a purchase, you just use LastPass, and then everything will be there. So it's auto fill your form as well. Okay, it will auto fill all your form as well if you're using LastPass. So you can just use for the payment card. So every time you make a payment, so you just need to remember your LastPass password, and then the form will be filled up automatically according to the previous record. So for example here, I'm going to record the password for my Facebook. So I just click on password, and then it will open up a new tab. Okay, it will open up a new tab. So here it will show you the URL and then the name here. And then the folder, so if you have a lot of folder, for example, you have this for social media, you have this website for work that you need to require sign in, you can separate it here. And then here username, so username for your password, username for your Facebook. And then here is site password. So you just key in the email address for your Facebook, and here you just key in the password, and after that you just click on save button. Yeah, you just click on the save button. Now I go back to Facebook, and here I call back the extension, which is LastPass. So when I click on the LastPass icon extension, so now I can see Facebook. So I just click on that Facebook, and it will be automatically filled for me. Okay, and it will be automatically filled for me every time I go into Facebook. So example here as well. So here it will be automatically there for me. Okay, so this icon, if you whenever you come across this icon, and then you just click on that. Yeah, so wherever you click on that, so it will bring you to LastPass. So what does it mean with these three? It means that this thing is recorded in your LastPass, but it will definitely let you know. Yeah. So like I said, you just need to remember one password, which is password to your LastPass. So now let me just log in. So here is my LastPass. So it will, if you have any password, so it will be stored here. Okay. Go back here. Whenever you come across this icon, when you click on that, it will let you know. So LastPass actually have the password for this one. And then if there is any form that you fill up in Facebook, okay, any form that you fill up in Facebook, you will also show this option here. Okay, it will record. It can record your. I say it will be like autofill, so you don't have to keep typing the same details over and over again. Okay. So this is for LastPass. Yes, if you have any question, just key in your question. Yep. Let me just delete this. So let's go back to the slide. So there is a LastPass. So now we are going to have a look at the other type of extension. So this one is the one that I oftenly use, which is a screen video recorder. Okay, this is a app for screen video recorder. So also it had free and premium version. So if premium, that is for you to record your screen more than 5 minutes. Okay, if you wish to record your screen, the duration is more than 5 minutes. Yes, you need to purchase the premium. But if you want to record your screen less than 5 minutes, the free version is sufficient for you. You can just use it. So to use Screencastify, what I need to do is just after I install it. So on the top, you can see the icon for Screencastify. Okay, and then you need to decide what you want to record. Do you want to record the desktop? Do you want to record the webcam? Means like right now you are seeing me, I'm using my webcam, so you see my face talking, so that is a webcam. So you can record yourself like talking, record a video, but then again remember the duration will be maximum 5 minutes for the free version. Okay, so it use the webcam. Okay, webcam only, so it will record you for 5 minutes. And then here you have option to enable microphone. So yes, if you're using a webcam, you are doing the talking, you want to record yourself sending a message, a video message, turn on the microphone. Okay, so it will see your face and also the microphone at the same time. So here it's how after you already record yourself, okay, after you already record, so then you stop. Once you stop, how to stop the recording after you, here, how to stop the recording after you record. So you just go back here. Okay, here my Screencastify. Yeah. Okay, you have option to record, but then if you are done with your recording, you need to click again in Screencastify and then press the stop button. Okay, once you press on the stop button, then only it will bring you to Screencastify. So whatever things that you capture using Screencastify will be stored in your Google Drive. Okay, whatever things that you screen capture, all this will be stored in your Google Drive. Okay, they will link to your Google Drive. So you have option, either you want to download, you want to share it. So here is how it looks like, and you can also trim it. Okay, you can also trim the video. So you want it to start here, you want it to end earlier. So you can trim the video and then save the trim. And then it's up to you, either you want to download it or share it. Please bear in mind, after you do the trimming and save, this original file will be deleted. It will be override. Okay, after you trim a video here, and then it will replace the original file. Whenever you trim, it will replace the original file. Yes, Screencastify have a limit for 5 minutes, so the video needs to be less than 5 minutes. If it's less than 5 minutes, then it's free. So you can just quickly trim here. So normally what I like to do, I like to download it and change it into a GIF. But yeah, you need to be short for GIF, because if it's too long, it's not suitable to become a GIF. So here, untitled, so similar, you can rename it, so for you, easier for you to see. Okay, and it can be found in your Google Drive. So next up, you have full page screen capture. And as well, this one have a free and premium version. Okay, so this is for you simplest way to screenshot the entire page. Okay, for example here. Yeah. So here I'm using Screencastify to show you this one. So you just click on the icon for full page screen capture. So you just click on the icon and then it will automatically capture your entire screen. So like example here, I just click on that and then you see like a Pac-Man eating. So it will show you how many pages. So it will keep eating till the end, and that after it's ready, it will automatically open up a new tab. Okay, it will automatically open up a new tab where you can find your page. So for example here, it will open up a new tab. So it will look like this. So this is from the beginning till the end of the page. Here, and you can save the entire screen into PDF or also into an image, or you can just delete it. So let me just go ahead here. So source. Yeah. Okay, like for example, this one. So then it will capture, it will record the entire screen. So you don't have to manually move your screen or whatever. It will do, it works. So you just need to click it once. And then you just wait for the Pac-Man till stop eating, till the end. And then it will open up a new tab for you. So here's the one. So it will capture here. It will go down, and then it will capture till here. Till you can see the copyright till the end of the page. As you can see here, it will be till the end of the page. So it will look super small, but then once you download it, you can zoom it and it will be clear. Okay, after you download it, you can zoom it and it will be clear. Don't worry, it will not look this small like whatever you are seeing. Once you zoom it, you can see it as clear as you are looking at the entire page, like this one. It's totally going to look like as clear as like this one. Okay, so this is a full page screen capture. Next up, this is another one that I really like, magnifying glass. Okay, this is for free. There's no premium because it's only do one work. Okay, this is for free. So with this extension, you can enlarge a certain part of the page. So for example here, so I'm culinary and read it. So when you click on the magnifying glass, okay, you just click on that and then your cursor will automatically turn like this one. It will become a magnifying glass. So once you're done using it, you just click on your on your screen. So let's just open up here. So I'm going to bring my glass. So this is my magnifying glasses. So just click. Yeah. So as you can see now, my cursor is no longer a cursor, but it will become magnifying glass. Okay, it will become like this one. So you just bring your cursor left, right, and then you can see the font is become bigger. So I know we usually normally in Reddit because the font is small, so it's really helpful. But then you cannot change the zoom. So this is the fixed zoom. Okay, so this is how big it can goes. Okay, this is how big it can goes. Like I said, if you no longer want to use it, so you just click anywhere and then it will bring back your cursor. Okay, it will bring back your cursor. Okay. Yeah. See. Okay. All right. Next up is momentum. So momentum, if you have this is like a start screen replacement. So when what it mean by start screen replacement? So here, whenever you open up a new tab, so this is your start screen. Okay, this is your start screen. But if you're using this extension, okay, Momentum, sorry, over here. If using this extension, Momentum, you can personalize your start screen, which is this one. Okay, this is your start screen. You can personalize it. So for example here, this one also required you to sign in. Okay, this one is require you to sign in with them as well because it need to keep your to-do list and what's and so on. So that's why it needs you to sign up with them, and then you can see your to-do list. Okay, if you recorded any to-do list there, so it looks like this. So here will be your name. It will ask you what you want to be called. You can key in your name, and then again you just sign up. And then whenever you open up a new tab, so instead of seeing it like this one, you will see it like this. Okay, if this is what you prefer. So the background will be keep changing. Okay, the background will be keep changing. So this is just if you want to see something nice. Okay, this is what extension that you can use instead of seeing a boring or just a blank page. Okay, next up we have a Noisely. So this one also have a free and also a premium version. Okay, it required sign up. You can sign up using your Google account. So this one is actually to let you stay focused. It has a background sound. Just a sound. It's not a music. It's just a sound. Okay, it's sound. So this one is very helpful if you need to stay focused on something. Okay, you need to stay focused. It allows you to mix up your noise that you want to hear. Not noise, I will see a background sound that you want to hear. Okay, so for example here, when you press on the extension, so you just play. So you can set up the duration that you need to stay focused. Okay, for example here, I need to stay focused for 25 minutes. So I just press play and the countdown will start. Okay, the countdown will start. And here is the playlist. So for a free version, you only have these 3 playlists. Okay, productivity, random, and relax. But then if you're a premium user, you have more noise, not noise, a background option. Okay, so here is the duration that you need to stay focused. So you can, it also work whenever you open up a new window. Okay, the background sound will always be there. So you doesn't have to only stick to one page. You can open up a multiple page and the background sound will always be there. This is Noisely. And the other one, this is also one of the things that I use the most, Grammarly for Chrome. Okay, Grammarly for Chrome. So this one also have a free and also a premium version. So it corrects any mistake that you are doing while you are typing. So it can be used in Gmail, it can be used in Google Document, in other social media. So if normally Google just give you a suggestion for if you misspell a word. Okay, normally Google will give you a suggestion. If you misspell a word, is you can see that there's like a red wave. Okay, that's like a red wave underneath the word. Okay, but then if you're using Grammarly, it will detect your grammar as well. If you type in to the, for example, if you type in to the, and then it will suggest you to remove one the. It will detect like that. Okay, so it's a Grammarly. For example here, you just need to bring your cursor there. Okay, you just need to bring your cursor. Sorry. Okay, next up is Grammarly. Okay, you can find it Grammarly for Chrome. So here, for example, I open up a Google document. She have chicken. Okay, so normally it's the red one. It will be like a red straight line. So you just bring your cursor there. Okay, and then here is the suggestion. Okay, here is the suggestion. So they suggest to use has instead of using have. But again, it depends on you. Either you want to use the one that suggests by them or you want to ignore it. So if you want to ignore it, you just leave it. But then if you want to change it, you just click on have and then you just click on has, and then this word will change automatically to has. Okay. You can know that if it's active or not. So here, for example, here you can see like there's a stop icon there because currently it has no access toward this document. Okay, and also if you want to check up a large file, for example, the total page is 20, so normally it will give you a warning that it will take some time for Grammarly to run because they need to check the entire page. Okay, but normally if just a simple page, it's just a simple wording, so you don't have to worry, it's super quick. But then if it's a large, so it will take some time for Grammarly to detect the error. So next up, we have this Hola VPN. Okay, Hola VPN as well, you have a premium and also free version. So this is to unlock website that block in your country. When I said your country, I mean Malaysia. Okay, and also maybe it blocked by your school, it blocked by your company. Okay, so you can use actually Hola VPN. So here is Hola free VPN. So like I said, you have a free and also premium one. So, oh sorry. So you also have a free and premium one. So if you're using this, so the Hola VPN icon will be up here. Okay. If you see that it gives you an error, you cannot log in into this website. It's blocked in your country. Okay. So normally sometimes we use it for instance that Netflix, certain movie in Netflix is not available for Malaysia. Okay. It's not available for Malaysia. But then if you're using Hola, okay, if you're using Hola VPN, you can access the um, you can access the you can access the website. Okay, if you're using the VPN, you can access the website. Not website means like normally if Netflix, like I said, not all movie available in Malaysia, but then you can use Hola VPN, and then it will what it do actually it will change your IP address. So then Netflix will assume it will detect based on the IP address created by Hola. Okay, it will attack the VPN created by Hola. Sorry, let's say the IP address it will change to other country. Maybe it will change to Korea. So the movie that available on your Netflix when you log in, it will follow the movie available in Korea. Okay, so it's like a VPN. It will change your IP address. It will modify your IP address. So that is a Hola VPN. Okay, any question that you like to ask me? Or if I go too quick, or is there anything else that you're not clear and you wish me to show you again one more time? Feel free to ask me. Hi, for screen recording, so normally I'm using Screencastify. Yeah, I haven't tried anything else besides Screencastify for screen recording. So if I want to recommend to you some screenshots, screen recording. You can view the total number of people. Okay, this is one tips that I would like to show you. What you should view before you install the extension. I will suggest to you to look of number of people. Okay, give rating and also look at the rating. So currently the average for this one is 4.6 and total number of people give a rating for this extension is 21,000 people. Okay, so you just go here and then normally they will give you a screenshot how it works. Okay, yeah. But yes, honestly, I'm only been using Screencastify Okay, before this, I never try out another extension because for me this one is easy to be used. Okay, so that's why I'm been using Screencastify for quite some times now. It's already, I see the past 3 years I'm using Screencastify and I have no issue so far. Unless you want to record a longer one, so normally I'm using a installed software. Any other question? Okay, no worries. Go through again the app before Grammarly. Okay, app before Grammarly, sure. So before Grammarly, we have Noisely. So Noisely is an apps actually let you to stay focused. Okay, so similar with Forest, you need to set up how long do you need to stay focused on. Okay, you need to set up the time and then you just click on the play button. Okay, and then it will play you background music. It will play not music, a background sound. Okay, it will play you a background sound. For free user, you have productivity, random, and relax playlist only. Okay, for free user, you only have this playlist. So while working, you will listen to this background sound. So even though you open a new tab, a new Windows, you will always hear this background sound. Okay, so you just key in how many minutes do you want to stay focused on. Before Evernote, okay, before Evernote and Web Clipper, sure can. Evernote and Web Clipper before that, yeah. Yep. LastPass. Evernote and Web Clipper is synchronization. So before that, the first one, yep. Evernote, Pushbullet. Okay. Pushbullet is the first one that I introduced today, but then Pushbullet is only available for Android user, Google Play. Okay, if you're using iOS, apparently you cannot use this one because the application is not available for iOS user. So for Pushbullet, you need to download Pushbullet in your phone. Again, you need to require sign in. After you sign in, whatever things that you save in Pushbullet, you can share between phone and also between your desktop. Okay, you can share between these two. Also, in Pushbullet in your phone, you can choose which application that you want to allow to give you a notification in your desktop. Let's say WhatsApp. When you receive an WhatsApp message, you will receive a notification in your desktop. And then let's say you also turn on Instagram, and then whenever something notification for Instagram, you will also see the notification in your desktop. Okay, and you can also reply to a message using a Pushbullet. It will push the message into your desktop, and then you can just reply from your desktop. Okay, so you can also share file between your desktop and also your computer.